Eurovan with a dead battery, repair to start. So we charge the battery, key on. The battery light is supposed to be on, which it's not. Kind of hard to see with my flash on here, but that little battery light is not on. So key is still on. At the alternator, there's a field wire plug. It's a blue wire. That blue wire, when you disconnect it from the alternator with the key on, it should have power on it. It does not. Basically, what happens is that the battery light grounds out inside the alternator via, if I can see it now, this little pin here. Okay, so my test light is on right now. So think of the test light as the battery light in the dash right now. That's basically what excites the alternator or the field windings and causes the alternator to start charging. So it's exciting the starter, or the alternator. Kind of like when I get excited looking at pretty women in bikinis, but that's a different story. So basically, since this wire right here with the key on, there is no power here right now. First thing you do is you check over by the starter, and there's a blue connector there, or blue wires. Here's the connector. I already disconnected it. I'm still not getting any power here. So then you have to trace it back to the dash. It could very well be that the little bulb is burnt out. What I can also do is use my test light like I showed you earlier, and just hold it to the field terminal and then start the engine. This light should go out. I'm gonna actually do that, and then so you guys can see, and then I should get a start charging voltage. So let me just get set up 1 minute. Okay, so the engine is running, charging 11.8 or not charging at all, and obviously also because the field plug is disconnected, but like I said, that's not doing anything. So I'm taking my test light. My test light is attached to battery positive, and what I'm going to do is touch the pin, the field pin, down in there. Okay, and then just going to rev it a little bit. Hold on, sorry. Okay, I'm going to try this again. So test light is attached to the pin right now. I just got to rev it up with one hand and record. I should be wearing my glasses right now. Okay, one more time. So I got my jumper wire hooked up to the field pin on the alternator, and you can see here the test light is lighting right now. And when I rev it up, that light should go out. And you can see it's overcharging, so that alternator is no good. Okay. Light is out, but it's overcharging. Alternator's no good. If I disconnect it, the alternator's staying excited.